What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about the one and only trade that I took on June 17th, 2026. Life's good, God is good. Let's show the trade recap. All right, so coming into the morning, right on the daily, what do I see? Well, immediately, what do I see? I see this unfilled new week opening gap, right? I am bearish till we hit that now. We were in all-time high conditions, and now I'm just completely bearish and want to see that get completely filled. So coming down to the hourly, what do I see? Well, first, I see this 4-hour gap. What are we doing? We're coming into this 4-hour gap, and we are reacting off of it, giving us bearish movement, bearish order flow, right? I wanted to see this intermediate high in the 4-hour get hit, right? And possibly catch a short off of that. Well, what happens? On the hourly, we have an hour fair value gap. So now we can either react off that if we're going to be bearish and continue going down, or we're going to disrespect this hourly and continue going higher, possibly tap the 4-hour intermediate high and then continue selling off that, right? We also have a bunch of sell side liquidity on the hourly, right? We have Asia lows, London lows, all that, New York lows, and the 4-hour, or not the 4-hour, the unfilled weekly gap. So when coming into the market, right, in the opening, what do? We come up and we immediately tap that hourly gap, giving us a reaction of bearish order flow off of that. I could not find an entry off that, and I thought it was too early to be able to take a trade right off that, right then and there. However, whatever, right? So now I'm waiting for market to give me another entry, give me another idea, right? And what do? We immediately come up, leaving sell side liquidity. We didn't take it right here. As you can see, we didn't come down and tap that hourly gap, or not the hourly gap, New York lows, right? We came up, and this is most important. I'm seeing this all the time now, and I'm loving this. We're literally coming into that same gap, liquidity, whatever it may be, right? I'm seeing it in a lot of gaps on the hourly. What we're doing is this: we're resweeping these highs right here. We're literally just resweeping intermediate highs on the lower time frame and delivering off of that, right? So that's literally been my A plus. So what do I see? Like, we're in that, right? Boom. I see this 2-minute inversion down here. We get strong displacement. And what do I target? Basically a 1-to-1. I went break even at this intermediate low because we can easily just go back up. But I had a stronger draw, which was the hourly, so I held there. And off that 2-minute, I was able to catch a short, and it banked just like that. We were holding this 1-minute inverse fair value gap very strong. You can see all these wicks that are not disrespecting or respecting it and going lower. And that was my trade today, in and out the markets. And markets just been so crazy lately. Like, setup has been paying out, and this is the only setup I've been looking for. And that's it. I trade the continuation model, I trade the MAC model, but this is just a little tweak inside of it, right? And that's my trade.